Hi, I'm Akiko Sudano from StampinInTheMeadows.com in Downingtown, Pennsylvania. Today, I'm making a Christmas card with the new Stampin' Up! Snowflake Wishes bundle. I prepared all the die cuts ahead of time, so we're just assembling the card, but we will do some stamping for the inside of the card. I've used the large and small snowflake dies to cut silver snowflakes for the card front. You can see the snowflakes in the upper corner. I used the sentiments from the Cherish the Season stamp set, and I've already made the label with a Merry Christmas stamp, embossing it in silver. I've already embossed the Seaside Spray background with the pretty new Winter Snow embossing folder. It's filled with beautifully detailed snowflakes. I'll mat that background with silver foil. That touch of silver is so elegant. I chose to cut my snowflakes from another piece of silver foil, but you could also cut them from the center of the mat if you're careful. I'm adhering the embossed panel to the silver foil with liquid glue. Apply the glue to the back of the embossed panel, align it to the mat, and press firm. We'll use this beautiful Seaside Spray metallic ribbon along the bottom of the card. I apply Stampin' Seal to the back of the panel and adhere the ribbon. Then I check to make sure it's lined up straight. I'm ready to start adhering the snowflakes. Isn't it beautiful? Even from the back. I apply small dots of liquid glue to the large areas, and luckily there are plenty. I lay the label down on the ribbon to help me position my snowflakes, and I use my tweezers. Press it down. Repeat with the remaining snowflakes. These little guys are from the Christmas Layers dies. Aren't they cute? They go perfectly with the Snowflake Wishes. I adhered the label to the ribbon using glue dots. In retrospect, I should have put the glue dots on the label so that they straddled the ribbon instead of putting them on the ribbon directly. Now we'll use dimensionals to adhere this pretty panel to the card front. This simple card design is so great because the snowflake die cuts are so beautiful, especially when done in a shiny paper such as the silver foil. Line it up and press firm. Finish the front with clear rhinestones. These help fill in the spaces, add sparkle, and look like tiny snowflakes in the distance. I think you can get a similar wow effect using the balmy blue glimmer paper on white cardstock or gold foil on very vanilla. And the fact of it being relatively flat makes it good for mailing. And that's our finished card front. Let's do the inside. We're using the inside sentiment from the Cherish the Season Cling Stamp set and Seaside Spray ink on a Whisper White panel. You could also emboss it in silver. That would be pretty and match the card front. We'll finish off the inside by stamping more snowflakes. Some will be full strength and some will be stamped off once to give a lighter effect. This adds depth and interest to the inside of the card. Now let's stamp some around the outside of the card. These are some of the smaller snowflakes from the Snowflake Wishes stamp set. We'll stamp some off the edge of the paper. It makes it interesting. And add some to the bottom of your paper. Add Stampin' Seal and adhere the panel to the inside of my card. And that's my finished card, a gorgeous silver and blue snowflake Christmas card made with the Stampin' Up! Snowflake Wishes bundle. I have a link to my blog post in the description where you can find all the sizes of cardstock and links to all the products I used. Thank you for watching.